Ow! Whoa, let me zoom out a little bit. Not quite there yet.
So I was going to do, well, I am going to do a glossy eye look. A glossy eye look, and every time I do glossy eyes, or glossy lids, every time I do them, I always accidentally put the gloss on first before my lashes. So I'm going to actually do a mini how to put on lashes and how to apply gloss to your lids. Let's get started. Alright, so here I'm just showing the lashes that I was using. I'm going to have everything listed down below. I'm also showing you that you will need tweezers and also lash glue. Here are my eyes without any product. I also forgot to show you that you will need mascara to put on first before you apply lashes. So that's just what I'm going to go ahead and do here. Once you start to apply the glue onto your lash, you're going to go ahead and make sure you apply a thin layer, because if you use too much glue, it's going to definitely show, especially if you're using dark glue like me. So you want to let it get a little bit tacky and then start to place the middle of the lash down first. Now I know that my thumb covered up everything, but once I apply my next lash to my other eye, it'll definitely show you a lot better, I promise. So after you apply it, make sure you pinch the lashes, or your real lashes and the fake ones together, so that way it'll blend a lot better. And then repeat the process. Alright, so now let's get to the fun part. We're going to go ahead and do the glossy lids. So you just need a small tapered brush like that, and also some clear gloss, basically from anywhere. So like how I just did, you want to start from your inner corner and basically just make sure that you're following the natural shape of your eye. Now I'm not going to wing mine out. I'm just going to go ahead and end it right where my lash ends. Also be careful not to apply the gloss right on top of your lashes that you just applied, because it may loosen up the glue. So I'm going to go ahead and do that to this other side, do the same exact thing. I'm going to go ahead and blend out the top corner so that way it's not so harsh, and then basically that is it. Almost forgot. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.